Talk 99, Rotating Movements. Today, I want to talk about the danger of rotating machines and objects. Many machines in our shop have rotating parts. There are shafts that spin at high and low speeds. Anything that rotates is dangerous. Anything that rotates can cause injuries. Hazards: loose clothing, long hair, shoelaces, ties, bracelets, and rings can be caught in rotating parts. The only people safe from this danger would be nudists, and only if they had very short hair. Everyone else is at risk. Historical lessons. In the past, before safety was common, circular saw blades were deadly. Clothing that touched the blade was instantly pulled in. The result: amputated fingers, severed hands, and sometimes death. During World War II, many women lost their hair because it was caught in rotating parts. In seconds, the scalp was torn away, and sometimes even the neck was broken. Static electricity. Static electricity can also make it worse. Loose synthetic clothing can build up a charge. The charged hair is pulled toward metal parts. This is why workers with long hair, men or women, must wear caps or nets near rotating shafts. Avoid clothing that generates static. Real case. Accident records prove the risk. I know a case myself. A mechanic saw his helper drying a shiny shaft on a small pump while it was running. Their helper said, "This shaft is too slow. It cannot catch anything." But it did. It caught not only rags, but also two of his fingers, breaking them before the pump was stopped. Final warning. Accident reports are clear. Any rotating shaft can trap clothing or hair. Some workers lean on shafts and think nothing happens. That false confidence is dangerous. One day, their clothes get caught. The result: broken bones, torn skin, crushed ligaments, even fractured skulls. Remember, when working near rotating machines, be alert. Be cautious. One mistake can cost you body parts, or even your life.